Hello, children. Children, do you remember what we studied in our last class? In our last class, we talked about different types of terrestrial habitats. So answer the following questions. Which of these animals are found in the mountain regions? Do you know the answer? So the answer is mountain goat. So today we are going to continue with our chapter called The Living Organisms and Their Surroundings. So there are different types of aquatic habitats. Examples of aquatic habitats include the oceans, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. So how are fish adapted to survive in the oceans? Fish have streamlined bodies that help them move easily through water. Fish have slippery scales on their bodies. These scales protect the fish and also help in easy movement through water. Fish have flat fins and tails that help them change direction and keep their body balance in water. Gills present in the fish help them to use oxygen dissolved in water. So how are other aquatic creatures adapted to survive in the oceans? There are some sea animals like dolphins and whales that do not have gills. They breathe in the air through their nostrils or through their blowholes that are located on the upper parts of their heads. This allows them to breathe in the air when they swim near the surface of the water. They can stay inside the water for a long time without breathing. They come out to the surface from time to time to breathe in the air. So choose the correct answer. How are the dolphins adapted to survive in an ocean? Children, do you know the answer? So the correct answer is they come out of the water from time to time and breathe in the air through the blowholes located on the upper parts of their heads. So how are animals adapted to survive in the ponds and lakes? Frogs usually have ponds as their habitat. They can stay both inside the pond water as well as move on land. They have strong back legs that help them in leaping and catching their prey. They have webbed feet which help them swim in water. How are the plants adapted to survive in the ponds and lakes? Some aquatic plants are totally submerged in water. All parts of such plants grow underwater. Some of these plants have narrow and thin ribbon-like leaves to help them bend easily in the flowing water. There are some plants that have their roots fixed in the soil below the water. The size of the roots are much reduced as their main function is to hold the plant in place. The stems of these plants are long, hollow and light. The stems grow up to the surface of the water while their leaves and flowers float on the surface of the water. So now, which of these statements is the correct statement? Do you know the answer? So the answer is all of the above are correct statements. So frogs can stay both inside and outside the pond water. They have strong back legs that help them leap and catch their prey. They have webbed feet to help them swim in the water. So children, today we have learned about the various adaptations of plants and animals living in different types of aquatic habitats.